Dr. Beasley's Nano-Resin Pro Kit is a self-healing elastomeric ceramic coating system that beads off water and achieves a brilliant, long-lasting gloss. So how does it work? Let me walk you through it. Inside the kit, you will find a 1-ounce bottle of Nano-Resin Pro, a 2-ounce bottle of paint coating prep, a foam block applicator, 2 suede cloths, and a pipette. Beyond that, you'll also need several microfiber towels and some painter's tape. It's best to apply this coating in a controlled, well-ventilated environment, like a garage. Before applying, be sure your paint is fully decontaminated and polished. Step 1. Tape off your headlights, badging, and any other adjacent non-painted surfaces. Then, spray the paint coating prep onto a panel and wipe off with a clean microfiber towel. This removes any excess residue and provides anchor points for bonding. Step 2. Wrap the suede cloth around the foam block applicator and then use the pipette to put a line of Nano-Resin Pro down the center of the cloth. Be sure to keep the bottle closed when not in use. Step 3. Start by applying the Nano-Resin Pro in horizontal lines across the panel. After you've covered your panel, go back and repeat with vertical lines as seen here. Using this crosshatch pattern ensures full coverage. Step 4. Nano-Resin Pro will not flash, so instead, let the coating sit for 1 to 2 minutes before wiping the panel down with a clean, dry, microfiber towel. Step 5. Repeat this process on each panel until your entire vehicle is fully coated. Reapply several drops of Nano-Resin Pro to your foam applicator block every few panels as needed. Step 6. After coating your entire vehicle, leave it undisturbed for 1 hour. Full cure will take 24 to 48 hours, after which the surface will be noticeably glossier. Overall cure time can be sped up by leaving your vehicle out in the sun or using infrared lamps. We recommend that you avoid washing your vehicle for 7 days upon application. To keep your coating performing at a high level, apply Advanced Coat Gloss every 3 months or as needed. This will reinforce the coating's durability and increase the level of hydrophobicity. Your application is now complete. With the coating applied, your vehicle's finish will maintain an incredible shine while resisting contaminants, repelling water, and self-healing any micro marring.